we propose that the Busa property be operated as a working farm that offers farm-based outreach and education, provides accessible community space, and is a sustainable farm operation. We'll start first with what we mean by farm-based outreach and education. The Busa property is a small farm, yet it can nourish the entire community by providing fresh produce for many and education and community building for all. With ongoing and active engagement with the town of Lexington and its residents, a community farm can provide something for everyone. Our goal is to develop a rich education program that would help people of every age learn about farming, nutrition, environmental science, the long history of farming and food in this community, and a host of topics related to growing food. But beyond that, our goal is to find as many ways as possible that residents can simply have fun being on their own farm. This would involve hands-on farm experiences, such as a weekly preschool Farm Explorers program that includes structured farm exploration, stories, and craft activities, an after-school Farmers Helper program for school-age children that includes learning about soil, plants, nutrition, and farming practices, both current and historic. Field trips and programs for homeschooling groups, Boy Scouts and Girl Scouts. For older children, the farm would offer community service opportunities, internships with the farm manager and farm educator, ongoing science research projects on the watershed system, water and soil quality, and sustainable practices and technologies. For adults, the farm could offer classes on subjects such as preserving and canning food, composting, ecological lawn care, backyard fruit trees, accessible gardening tools and practices for people with mobility issues, and sustainable landscape design. The Lexington Community Farm website could also serve as an additional resource for the community, hosting a blog for gardening advice and tips, and providing information about upcoming programs on the farm. In this way, it could act as an online extension of the farm, even to those who might not be able to visit in person. The farm would also offer multi-generational activities, such as monthly volunteer work days, including removing rocks, brush, and debris from the fields in the spring, planting seeds in the greenhouse and mulching fields in the summer, and harvesting in the fall. Self-guided learning backpacks, focusing on different topics such as bugs and soil, birds and wildlife, or plants. We envision specialty education areas, such as Native American Three Sisters gardens, a colonial garden display showing crops, techniques, and tools, and a butterfly garden with benches. This farm and its rich agricultural history in what used to be known as Cambridge Farms also offers an opportunity for farm history programs on site. In fact, our hope would be to have the community farm established and operating by the time Lexington celebrates its 300th anniversary in 2013, a time for everyone in Lexington to reflect on the farming heritage of the former Cambridge Farms. To offer this range of programming, our plan would require dedicating a half acre of land separate from the land in use for food production to an educational community garden.